was in the peak days. Production on the North Slope continues to decline. Whether or not that decline will continue is a big uncertainty right now.
This is Alpine, just west of Prudhoe Bay and only 100 miles from Anwar. It's become one of the most productive fields in Alaska. It was designed to be environmentally friendly. Wells here are clustered together to reduce surface impact, with footprints up to 10 times smaller than at Prudhoe Bay. Alpines helped offset the decline in oil flowing through the Alaska pipeline, in part by growing larger than ConocoPhillips originally planned.
The original plan for Alpine was a 2-drill site designed approximately for 80,000 barrels a day. In the course of the last several years,